Hatchet's been captured. They're transferring him here. Make sure nothing happens. We play by the book.
Oh, we're gonna play by the book. Okay. They say Hatchet uses the skinning knife to erase the identity of his victims.
Abby, you're a hell of an analyst, but chasing ghosts, it is not gonna change what happened.
I need to be the one asking questions.
Captain asked for 5 minutes alone with the prisoner. My hands are tied.
That is the world's most dangerous man. No one knows more about him than I do.
Are you the operative known as Hatchet?
Something's not right.
We have gunfire in the interrogation room. All personnel,
Code red.
I need to know everything.
There's no sign of him.
Oh my God. What's going on?
Someone's releasing the detainees.
Jesus. They're locking us down.
Executed. Lockdown. Countdown initiated.
Countdown to what?
If we can't restore calm in the next hour, they send a drone to wipe us out.
He's tying up loose ends.
You gonna tell us what really happened?
You really have no idea, do you? I'm not gonna hide.
It's us or them.
It was a mistake to assign you to this case, Abby.
Time's running out.
I got one rule: stay alive.
So you're probably asking yourself why I'm dangling off a rope 1,000 feet off the ground. I'm asking the same question. Well, Disney wanted to make a show about longevity. Turns out this has something to do with it. Here we go.
I'm getting older now, and I don't feel invincible.
It makes me want to push myself to such an extreme and live as long as I can and continue to make the most of every moment.
If you push yourself beyond the point at which you should be coming out, there is a real risk you could die.
Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this?
What's making you nervous?
Oh, death is usually a big one, yeah.
We want to make you so resilient,
How can we be present with our stress now so that it doesn't kill us later?
so strong, so powerful,
If this is going to challenge your body, it'll challenge your brain too.
that you can go toe to toe with Father Time, and he's not even going to bother you.
We change your body to do a reboot on your system.
You know, we're basically going to need sort of Chris Hemsworth 2.0.
The new me. Let's get on with it, shall we?
Orson Fortune. That is a sexy name.
As a private contractor, you possess a unique set of skills. What's that? Power up. You said it was clear.
I said the front was clear. Ah.
Front, back, right, wrong. Anyway, shall we? So what we got? Something rather nasty has been stolen. We have to stop that getting onto the open market. Who's the buyer? Greg Simmons, a billionaire arms dealer.
Ooh, a lot of very serious faces up here, aren't there?
You can't catch this fish with conventional lures. I'm sorry? The lure being? Danny Francesco. The movie star. Greg Simmons' favorite movie star.
And how do we get him?
Blackmail. Who's to get? Very good. Carry on. The world needs you for your greatest role yet. Who are you? I'm your new manager. There's a sensitive and awkward situation between you and your sister-in-law.
I actually love my sister-in-law.
It's Danny. You made that quite evident.
When marimba rhythms start to play.
No need to be nervous.
No reason to be nervous. They're all the killers.
You're an actor. Act.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go to work.
Will someone pinch me, please? Is that Danny Francesco? What's next for you?
I'm playing a mysterious self-made billionaire.
You just described me. Shadow me. Do whatever I do. Whatever I do, do.
Whoever Greg was buying from was amongst you last night. The Ukrainians. I can get inside the Ukrainians.
I hope you take them to dinner first, before you get inside of them. Sexually.
Other dancers may be
They're gonna kill you now. We'll shoot them first then.
my eyes will see
Tidy.
when we swear.
What happens?
You recognize your Orson Fortune? That is a sexy name.
Cover's blown.
We're burned. What do I do?
The movie star's gonna melt.
You stop Danny Francesco.
You stop Brent Simmons!
You let me worry about that.
Get the sunrise, long before made me feel as only you. What are you gonna do with that?
I'm gonna shoot at them, Danny.
So you weren't seen by anyone? Yes. That's a yes. You weren't seen by anyone? Yes. Or a yes, you were seen by someone? Yes.
Hi. There's a gun on.
Whoa, it's the quiet car. Gotta use your small inside voice in here, son.
There's a gun.
Talk to me.
I am ready. You are getting the new and improved me. Because if you put peace out in the world, you get peace back.
I think you might be forgetting what you do for a living. Take the gun.
Every job I do, somebody dies. I'm not that guy anymore.
Some conflicts require a gun.
Hey, this is nice. Okay, what am I snatching and or grabbing?
A briefcase. You said you wanted simple for your first job back. Doesn't get simpler.
You stab me?
We'll ruin your life the way you ruin mine.
Dude, I don't even know you!
There's nothing simple about this job.
Something else going on here.
Yeah, I'm not the only one on this train looking for this case.
Lemon, where's the briefcase?
Oh, it's that shit. It was just here.
We are right on schedule.
Everything that's ever happened to you
This is gonna sting, bitch!
has led you here. Fate.
That's a shit deal.
Oh, no, thank you.
You know what? Do you have anything sparkling? That's the one. Thank you. Domo arigato. You sure you don't want to talk this out?
Not particularly, no.
Okay.